New Era.
For a long time, many years. This is very detailed. Working for some time in our university, the primary school PhD Anglican science. And not only that, earlier also we took training classes for our teachers. Maybe way back in 2013, 14, that region. Now, we are happy to be with him once again on this occasion. Because it is always a pleasure talking to him. A kind of very passionate teacher. Now he is working in English Language Training Center at Government Guide College. Not only that, yeah. Author of English textbooks for state government books for many schools, including your 10th class state. And there are other programs also with which he is associated. For example, Diploma in Elementary Education, Class Open Schools. For developing the materials to these students, he worked hard, and he could bring out wonderful modules for learning English for all these students, for elementary students and for the open school students, and for everybody. And attends different kinds of training programs wherever they take place. In both the English states, normally. Yeah. And we together, I think, went to one class by famous kind of legendary personality, Howard Gardner. We went there. Way back, maybe it was also around 10 years that happened. I guess we had it. Howard Gardner, the multiple intelligence theory that helped us a lot, particularly with the classroom, in getting attention from each and every student in different ways. And in measuring the actual caliber also, that's useful. And today, I'm really honored because he agreed to take a training class for all of you, particularly with regard to lesson plans and how to execute them, how to prepare them, how to get the desired outcomes. On this topic, he's going to deliver his lecture today. I'm really happy. He's here among us now, and this is useful not only to English teaching staff, but for other disciplines also. Using English as a way of instruction, effective. Most of the times, our teachers say, "Sir, if we continuously speak English, our children get difficulty in understanding that." No, we don't agree with that, right? You can teach any grade level children through English medium without such difficulty. So, a lot can be learned from him. These are the kind of non-conceptual portions, right? Particularly with regard to pedagogy, I think he is the number one in our districts, right? In both common and Pratham. Glad we are here with him today. Sir, thank you for honoring us.
I'll be here. Thank you. So, I've got a long association with him ever since I came to Khammam. And I used to stay in front of New Era Primary School gate. So we used to stay here for a long time. Almost there was a principal called Madhavi. Now she is working in a English school. I think some of you might have seen me before, and I was training you on phonetics in English.
Yes.
So that was the time we were very close to this management, and somehow after that I just lost track of this institution. Dear teachers, friends, it is really one of the most memorable moments. I'm going to spend with you a day, 3 hours from now. So, yeah, when I stand before you, I'm very, very much conscious. So, just interaction. Okay, let us open up and tell me what actually brought you here. What are your expectations on this session?
New techniques may be learned
One by one.
New techniques may be learned from you,
Okay.
and that may be implemented in our school, our class, not in my class. That the methods also may be, because the time is changing, methods are changing, children are changing. So we learn something more and more, so that will be implemented in our teaching learning process.
Nice, sir. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, next, sir. Sir.
New strategies that we can implement
New
for the
strategies.
present students. After Corona, before Corona, after Corona, we analyze that there are a lot of changes have come regarding education in the field of education. So we need to adopt beautiful methods which will enrich the students.
Alright, thank you very much, sir. Your name, sir?
My
Maria Das. Your name?
T and R, sir, T nice, sir.
T. Nice. Your subject?
Mathematics.
Mathematics. You? English. Oh, nice. Very nice person. Because you belong to my family. Because one thing I would like to add, that is, I am an expert. I mean, I cannot claim that I am an expert, but I am a faculty of pedagogy across curriculum. Pedagogy across curriculum, because irrespective of any subject, I teach those who belong to different subjects. So that's why, if you say expert, I am an expert in pedagogy.
So how is that subjects are different, pedagogy is different?
Pedagogy.